I want to talk to you for a few minutes about the homework that you're going to be doing for this course. We've chosen Sapling Learning, that website, for the homework. There are a lot of things about this site that you're going to find enjoyable and helpful as you try to understand physics. Although physics is not just word problems but also concepts, the fact is you learn about the concepts and you understand how they relate by doing the homework problems. Now, Sapling is really great because it's an interactive system. When you take a look at Sapling, once you get into it, you're going to see that each assignment has about 10 to 15 different questions. As you open the assignment, there's going to be on the side a list of all the different questions. Now, you can go sequentially from the first to the second by hitting the next button, or you can choose on any one of them in particular from the left-hand side and then just try that one. I'm not going to get into the introductory assignment about how to enter answers because you can certainly do that yourself. But here's a great thing about this particular course and the way we set it up. Suppose you answer a question, type in the result, and it's incorrect. First of all, Sapling will let you know that it's incorrect. But also, it's going to give you helpful hints about what you might have done wrong. For example, suppose you were supposed to divide two numbers and instead you multiplied them. Well, it's quite possible with the intelligent feedback, they might say something like, "Are you sure you did the mathematics the right way?" Or they'll tell you if it's off because of units or perhaps because of rounding errors. So you'll find that not only do you have multiple choices or multiple opportunities to answer the questions without very much loss in points, but also the feedback that you get should be helpful as you try to get to the right answer. In addition, we have set it up so that you can click on the hints button if they're available, even before you answer the question. We've set it up so that learning or reading the hints is not going to be any points off. And in some cases, by not using hints, you might get some bonus points. There's one other thing I want to say about the homework for this course before I end this short discussion. You see, there's actually two different ways that we encounter information in any given class. Sometimes with homework problems or with a particular problem, it's a learning experience. Let's say that you're learning about how to solve one-dimensional motion problems, and you've read about the equations and how to solve them, and you've taken a look at the sample problems. Well, now you have the homework problem where you have to come up with a distance or a time or a speed. You work it through the way it's supposed to, you enter the answer. If you get it right, that means you understand those ideas. You know how to do that type of problem. But if you get it wrong, don't just run and enter in some other answer and try to guess at what the answer might be. A wrong answer means there's something about the problem that you don't understand. Instead of putting another number in and another, trying to just get the points for the problem, try to figure out what you did wrong. You see, an assessment, like a quiz or an exam, is to measure what you know. But homework is a learning experience. The idea is to help you understand. So I hope you consider the homework from that point of view. If you do, you will learn from your mistakes. If you don't, trust me, you're not going to do well on those quizzes and assessments.